Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video we'll try to find out and rank 5 best human resources softwares, at least in my opinion that they are out there. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these programs, we'll check the pricings, and I'll tell you why they are aligned, how they are aligned. So we'll go with the first one, which is Gusto, then Namely, then BambooHR, Zenefits, and Freshworks. So kick it away with Gusto. Gusto is an all-on-one solution that offers HR benefits, payroll, and time tracking functionality, all from one centralized platform. Gusto's HR capabilities include the ability to more efficiently and effectively onboard new hires to ensure they are getting up to speed quickly, settling into the company, and gaining the necessary knowledge. Gusto cuts down on your admin and paperwork, which also provides benefits in terms of sustainability by enabling your employees to sign form and contract, as well as enroll your benefits and your company's payroll scheme online. This means you don't have to print any paper forms. Gusto also enables you and your employees to manage PTO better, but automatically syncing with both your company calendar and your payroll system. You can also send out anonymous surveys to find out how your team is doing, get recommendations on how to improve, and receive feedback on what your employees like and don't like. As Gusto centralizes your data, you can more easily stay compliant with HR regulations. Gusto isn't meant to be for the biggest of the companies or for the enterprises, but it can do the job pretty good. Here to the pricing plans. You can get your Gusto subscription from $39 a month for core or complete bill, or concierge, which is the most expensive one. And if you are built for 25 or more employees, you have to contact sales and they will tailor you the option especially for you. It's very easy, very intuitive way of how to basically go through your HR and have everything under one roof. That's why for me it's number one. The second one is Namely. Namely is a cloud-based program that allows organizations to align and manage compliance to simplify complex and necessary human resource procedures such as payroll, welfare, and talent. The system is intended for business organizations with medium-sized scale and helps them to follow complicated procedures for administration of employee information or accounting deductions for taxes and fees, as well as benefits such as health insurance and etc. The human resource software registration process is much automated because it is possible to load all the necessary documents into the form and fill them out with new employees using an electronic signature. The performance management feature makes it easy to track and manage all progress on the administrative side. The HR software benefits open. Enrollment is now automated, and the staff is responsible for modifying or selecting a new cover. It's a whole range of human resources software that combines the components of salaries, talent management, and compensation. The software was a human resource management platform selected by nearly 400 companies that operated with over billions of dollars per year in salaries and with more than 50,000 employees worldwide. Same as Gusto, Namely is meant for small and medium businesses, especially. I'm not saying that you can't really get an offer as an enterprise. All I'm saying is that you can maybe get a better way how to get along with your HR. All these pricing plans are custom. It's all about your employees, your payroll management, 10-minute attendance management. You can get it in a mobile app. So it's very easy way and very intuitive way how you can manage your HR. So let's jump into BambooHR. BambooHR is a comprehensive HR suite that is easy to use and also helps to avoid paid stub confusion. It comes synced seamlessly with payroll solutions that facilitates the elimination of double entries. You can add new employees at ease, and the tool also enables you to track the bonus payouts, approved hours, and commission. The software comes with suitable functionalities like HR reporting, performance management, monitor employee database and records. Applicant tracking allow electronic signature, etc. With BambooHR software, you do not need chasing paperwork and all your vital data in stored and managed securely. You can further benefit from the free BambooHR mobile app for Android or iPhone. Now we are talking about the company that also is made for small, medium businesses and for freelancers as well. They are providing extremely nice customer support during the business hours. And also between those three, it's really hard to pick a winner. I picked Gusto only because of my experience with it. But first three of them are really alike. So for them, whichever you pick, you are doing a great job, and I mean, you can't really go wrong. But let's talk about the pricing plans. It's also custom. So you don't have to always fit into like HR pricing plans in Gusto, where you are just basically picking one. In Bamboo and namely, you have to basically get in touch with the sales and they'll tailor you the option for you. But let's talk about Zenefits now. Zenefits is all-in-one digital solution explicitly built for HR management that offers a single source to manage the modern workforce. It offers the complete all-mobile HR experience by integrating all powerful applications with thousands of best providers on the Zenefits platform. It is a solution that provides a cloud-based human resource information management platform ideal for businesses to manage dozens of HR services, including payroll, compliance, health insurance, benefits, paid time off, and much more. Zenefits platform offers the most initiative and extensive HR experience in the market. The payroll management functionalities enable businesses to stay updated on the deduction and taxes easily. The compliance assistant app lets users maintain compliance modifications efficiently using inbuilt resources. Moreover, Zenefits time management technology lets managers and organizers track and manage paid time off precisely. Zenefits comes with payroll benefits and performance application that integrates with advisory services and combined partner application to simplify HR management, reducing the paperwork. Additionally, tracking, recruiting, onboarding, and managing employee records is made easy with Zenefits software that comprises a subscription-based pricing strategy. You can go even if a bigger company with Zenefits. So it's really easy to go and basically pick a plan. Also, monthly or annually is a little bit more expensive than the others. Where are you going with Zen, Growth, or Essential? Where Essential is the cheapest one, offering obviously least amount of features. Then Growth and Zen is the most expensive one with all the features unlocked. You can go and try them with of like free trial and then decide which one is the best. Now to the last one on our team, which is Freshworks. The Fresh Team applicant tracking system helps recruiters find the top talent for their businesses. Fresh Team keeps all the details about the hiring pipeline in one place. This includes emails, notes, candidate feedback, and resumes. Fresh Team makes it easier to manage the candidate database and maintain an active talent pool. It helps to get the whole team or company involved in the hiring processes to achieve a higher volume of qualified candidates, improve the candidate database, and transform the recruiting experience into one that is more connected and inclusive. Freshworks is made especially for bigger companies that can handle all the workload, providing great support during the business hours and even online. To the pricing, since it is a part of a bigger Freshwork group, you can go with monthly or annually, which is free HR for a small organization and then going linearly upwards up to enterprise level, which is 203 platform fee a month. This is by an employee. So I strongly recommend you to check first 3 out if you are a small to medium sized company, then the last 2, Zenefits and Freshworks, if you are bigger company. But if you're a freelancer or self-employed, those first 3 are the great option. My next recommendation is that really you can basically utilize it and see it through. So it's completely up to you. Go with the free options and find out which one is the best. And then let us know. If you have more questions about these programs, please leave them underneath this video. And yet again, like the video or subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Thank you very much and have a great day.